Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. Today we're making some Chicharron Rojo. Let's get started. We're gonna put 3 garlic cloves and 10 tomatillos to boil. You'll know that they're ready when the tomatillos change color. Since we're making Chicharron Rojo, we're gonna need this kind of chicharron and this kind of peppers. These are chile guajillos. They're gonna add a great taste to our chicharron. But first, we gotta toast them up a little bit. Go ahead and squeeze them down so you can make sure all the edges are toasted. This is how they should look after you've been toasting them for a while. Here we're using about 20 chile guajillos. We're doing this in real time, so let's be patient. Ooh, that's hot. These chile guajillos would also make a great salsa. Now that we're done, we're gonna go ahead and give them a quick wash. Just a little quick one. Next, we're gonna take out the stems and put them to blend. Next, add about a cup of water and take it to blend. Ooh, that color looks beautiful. Go ahead and run it through a colander. Add a little bit of water to the blender so we can get all the chile from in there. You're gonna squeeze it real tight. You gotta make sure you get all them juices. All this is what we don't want. Alright, we're done with the first part of the sauce. And now that the tomatillos are ready, we're gonna go ahead and put them to blend. That's including the garlic too. Don't worry if some of the chile guajillo is in there. We're gonna mix it all together anyways. I like doing it like this so I won't overfill my blender. And in case I wanna use the extra sauce for something else. Give the tomatillos a blend. Just a little quick one. Add it to the chile guajillo and give it a quick mix. This smells delicious. You can add a little bit of water to the blender to get everything else out. Oh snap, I forgot to add some spice to this. Alright, we're gonna have to toast some of these and put them in the blender with some of the sauce. These are chile árboles. We're gonna go ahead and toast 10 of these and add them to the blender. These help make the salsa spicy. But since we like extra spicy, we're also gonna add chile piquin. Ooh wee, that's gonna be spicy. Go ahead and add some oil to your pan. This is where we're gonna start cooking the chicharron. Go ahead and drop it into the oil. And we're gonna start mixing it. When it's ready, it's gonna have a nice light brown color like this. This is how it could have a little extra flavor when it's cooking with the chile.
Pone más crujiente también. Todo esto que está soltando se dora y queda muy sabroso el chile. Ya está agarrando otro color. ¿Viste cómo estaba más blanco? Y ya cuando le dejes caer el chile para que no se haga de que se pone todo bien fea la casa, se le apague y se deja un poquito que tintee para que no
se hume la casa.
Sí.
Be patient with this part and make sure you don't take your eyes off of it because it could get burnt in some parts.
Sí. A mí me gusta mucho cómo queda todo en el arroz. Todo queda bueno. Los frijoles, un poco mosque. Bien práctica. Mira qué bonito. Mira. ¿Quieres que le dejemos caer el chile o no?
Alright, this part is done. Now we're gonna add the salsa.
Ahí va.
Make sure all the chicharron gets soaked in the salsa. Cover it, let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicharron is soft. Let's give it a little time. And this is how it should look. They're soft, but I think it needs a little bit more time. Give it a little mix and cover it. Don't cover it all the way this time. Do it like this. After an additional 5 to 7 minutes, it's ready. It should look like this. I must warn you, this chicharron isn't for the faint of heart. This is for the spicy food lovers. If you don't want yours so spicy, just don't add the chile piquin and add a little bit of chile árbol. This smells very good. I'm gonna make me some fresh tortillas with this. Make sure to check out our tortilla video if you want to learn how to make them. I really like the color of these chiles, and they taste wonderful. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!